Welcome! In this updated guide, we will discuss how to fix Snapchat camera problems. Follow these steps to troubleshoot and resolve issues with the Snapchat camera. 1. Restart Snapchat. Begin by restarting the Snapchat app to refresh the camera function and potentially resolve any camera-related issues. 2. Enable camera permissions for Snapchat. Check and ensure that Snapchat has the necessary camera permissions enabled on your device to allow the app to access your camera. 3. Reactivate camera access for Snapchat. If camera access was previously denied, reactivate camera access for Snapchat in your device settings to allow the app to use the camera. 4. Update Snapchat. Make sure your Snapchat app is up to date by checking for and installing any available updates from the App Store. Updates often include fixes for camera-related problems. 5. Clear app. Cache and data. Clear the cache and data of the Snapchat app on your device to refresh the app's data storage and potentially fix camera issues. 6. Reinstall Snapchat. If camera problems persist, consider uninstalling and then reinstalling the Snapchat app on your device to start fresh and potentially resolve any persistent camera issues. By following these steps, you can troubleshoot and fix Snapchat camera problems. Thank you for watching, and we hope these solutions help you enjoy a seamless camera experience on Snapchat.